Hey everybody, a little quick product review here. I bought some Tula 9mm at Walmart. It was pretty decent price, 10 something a box of 50. Of course it's got the throwaway cases, which I like. I don't have to chase those because I do hand load, but Glock does not recommend you shoot hand loads in them, and I don't. I have a barrel for my 19, but the Glock 17 I don't. And I did run a clip full through without the camera on, see if they went through. They said, well, nobody wants to see her, and it ate them right up. I've heard they're dirty, but heck, I can clean it. They are Burdam Prime too, which I don't care. Doesn't bother me. But anyway, we'll go over and we'll shoot a pizza box up and see how well they grew. Walk off here about 20 feet. Closed, and we'll see how they do. I don't know, they go through good. That's about all I do with my Glocks anyway. I know some are over because I'm not used to the 17. It's just a little bit longer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I think there was 16 in that clip. Yeah, I got another box. We'll get a clean target. They seem to be shooting high for where I hold at that distance, but this is just a up close and personal rig. Whoops, I hit the wrong button. I'm used to... Well, they seem to feed all right. Slow down just a little bit. That's a lot better bunch in there. I know there was 17 in that clip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16, 17. And that's about all I do with that. Hey, thanks all for watching. That's that $10 a box Tula ammo from Walmart. I'm going to buy some more of it. You can shoot a little, you can afford to shoot it a little bit, and Glock really doesn't, you know, we can get into the discussion of reloads and not reloading in a Glock, but I'm not going to shoot reloads in them. I bought a barrel for my 19. I've got a nice Beretta I shoot reloads in that handles them fine. Have a good day, everyone.